Good day, everyone. In this video, we'll show you how to quickly get started with the Undetectable Antidetect browser. Undetectable browser is a desktop application that lets you create an unlimited number of unique browser profiles. Each profile functions like a separate computer with its own digital fingerprint. To start using the program, you first need to register on the official Undetectable browser website. We'll leave the link in the description below. Once you're on the website, click the Sign Up button in the upper right corner. In the New tab, create a username. Please note, the username must not contain any special characters. Next, enter an email address, which a verification code will be sent to. In the next field, you can enter your Telegram handle to get quicker support responses, but this is optional. Then, come up with a secure password, accept the user agreement, and click the Sign Up button. If all the information was entered correctly, you'll see a verification window. Here, you need to enter the code sent to your email inbox. You can download the program from the official website in the Download section. There are 3 versions available for different operating systems. Choose the one you need, download the installer, and install the program. After installing the browser, launch it. In the Login window, enter the credentials you used during registration and log in to the program. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. See you in the next videos.